Hi guys, today we will talk about the TikTok application. So watch this video if you want to find your favorites video on TikTok. So let's go to this app. As you can see, we are on the home page. Let's go to the following one. And for example, you want to add this video to your favorites. How to do it? Let's pick on the special save button. As you can see, he is on the right side. Perfect, add it to your favorites. Okay, so how to find this favorites section? Let's pick on the profile option at the bottom of the screen. And let's choose the third icon at the top bar. Here we have the collections options, sound, effects, and others, but the first one is videos. Here you can find all of the videos you saved after tapping on this special button. It's all of your favorites video. So if this guide was useful and interesting, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok HardReset.Info channels. Good luck, guys. Bye bye.